morning and welcome back. It is the morning and they are still cranky. I don't know if you can hear me, but they are cranky. And the park's open at 10, so what you see around me is what you get when the park opens at 10. There are lines literally across both entrances for both parks. So right now Zoran's getting some Jamba Juice and I'm just in line. It's crazy, it's hot. Let's make the best of it.
Wait, but you got in trouble, so it's not up to you anymore. Okay, Leah, do you want to go Toy Story or a carousel? Toy Story? Carousel. Oh, it's Toy Story.
Toy Story.
Okay, let's go. Look who's coming, Zay. Woody! Woody! Oh, he didn't even see me. Did you get a high five? No, he didn't high five me either.
Is this your favorite ride, Zay?
Yeah, but I'm mad at my mommy. My sister picked it for me and her.
Why are you breaking our ride? Zayana picked me over mommy and mommy's mad. Or mostly upset. All right. We are at Carthay Circle right now. Let me look you guys up. We are at Carthay Circle for breakfast. We're usually here for dinner, but we're here for lunch today. And we haven't been here for almost 2 years now. So ever since our trip right after Zalea was born was the last time we were here. So Zayana was like a little over a year, and now she's turning 4. So it's been a while. But we are excited. We're about to have lunch with the girls, and I'm probably gonna go back to take a nap. But I'm so excited. We're about to eat some good food. Mom and Dad started with some adult beverages, and just it feels like we're eating in the Ritz-Carlton or something. Everything is really nice. Even the bathrooms are really nice, but I don't think I should record anything in the bathroom.
This is the room for people and children.
I think so too. That's what I was gonna say too. I think we're in this room because of you, babe.
So we ordered the, what are these called? The
Biscuit critter?
They're like fried biscuits. I forgot what they call it on the menu. But if you say the biscuits, they come with this heck of good honey butter. It's like one of the most popular things on the menu. I think between this and the duck wings are something we always get when we come here. And it's just like still hot. You put the honey butter in, it just melts in your mouth. It's delicious. And for the girls, they're eating Alfredo pasta. It's bomb. Like, it's so cheesy. The server even said that adults even order it with chicken for like adult portion size. So you know it's good. But we're waiting on our entrees still. I think Celia's problem is she's hungry. Because now that she has food, she has like an orange, green beans, pasta. She's behaving. But Zayana, on the other hand, it might be her turn. Jonathan was like, did you even show them the biscuits? So this is what the biscuit looks like. It doesn't look like a regular biscuit, but I think we've had already 3 each, and there's 2 left in there, so there's like 8 pieces in there. Plenty to share. All right, food's here. So I got the salmon. The guy was mentioning that the menu does change every 3 to 4 months, so it might not be there might be a different variation of the salmon. And then Jonathan got, what did you get? I forgot.
I cheated. I got the filet mignon, but it looks amazing. Fingerling potatoes and some, I don't even know what kind of sauce it is, but it looks amazing. And
You usually get steak.
Yeah.
What is it called, Zay? You want some? Put your phone down if you want some steak. Excuse me. Boop, 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 boop. Booped your nose. What is she even playing? Oh my god, obsessed.
Say hi, Donald. Did you say hi? All right. Wow, the only person you gave a hug. Good job, babe. Oh, he loves it. He loves it. Alright guys, so now we are going to be meeting our friends that we actually made and met on YouTube. And, oh, somebody wants to be in the vlog. But yeah, we're going to be meeting the Laras, and their channel is Living with the Laras. We'll put a link down below, and some awesome family, very funny vlogs. They also love Disney, and they also have 2 kids, so we'll be meeting them shortly. Alright guys, so we are now at dinner, and we are here with our friends, the Laras. So we, like I mentioned earlier, we made friends with
Zay's in the background, you see him with his
yeah,
eyebrows?
there you go. Yeah, this is Zay. Go ahead and introduce
Hey, what's my
them.
name, bro?
Yeah. So yeah, we have Zay, we have Jordan, we have Ellie, and we have Jasmine.
The best one.
There we go. And the girls.
Tuesdays. There are
Yeah, so-
Tuesdays at one table. That's
Tuesdays,
never,
one table.
That's
Yeah.
never happened to us.
I should
ever.
But yeah. But we do have food. Food just got here. We have the nachos.
I can't lift it. Oh yeah.
The nachos. No, it's all good. It's all good. We have nachos. Ooh, look. What is this?
That looks amazing.
That's lobster quesadillas and sliders for the girls. We're about to eat this now. I have to put you guys down right now because we're gonna eat.
We're hungry, guys.
We are hungry.
Hungry. Hangry.
Oh, you just come in the background.
Oh.
I'm over here like,
Needed there, I was all.
They go, the little ones, for what's the little? The purpose, the little. She's never seen that.
We don't give her sliders. Apparently, we don't give her sliders. Yes, babe.
bro, you turn on the camera just so she would stop looking at your camera.
Right? You want some, Julia? You want some? Yes? You're about to put me out of the business here. All these girls like to eat, seriously. Steak, lobster, anything that costs money, really. All right, there you go. Pound it.
Look at her.
Pound it. Oh, Zalia too? There you go. All right, there you go. Oh, you too, Zalia?
Now she wants to do it
Oh,
again.
there you go.
That's a lot of boobs.
Alright, so we are going to be going to watch World of Color. I thought we were going back to the hotel, but Zayana wants to watch World of Color, and we are going to be leaving the Laras now. They're going to go shopping while we go do that. But we're going to go ahead and say goodnight to them, and we're going to meet them up tomorrow. Probably may not vlog tomorrow, but we'll see.
We'll see.
But you
I
guys...
gotta vlog Guardians, bro.
Yeah. Oh, that's true. Okay. 2 vlogs. 2 vlogs.
Just been challenged.
Yeah. All right. So we'll go ahead and end this vlog with the Laras, and we'll be sure to put up a link down below, and be sure to subscribe to both them and us if you're new. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Always will love.